Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last sessions, we covered data types, variables and typecasting in Java. If you have not watched that yet, I recommend to check it out. So today in this video, we'll learn about operators in Java. Okay, it is very important concept. It allows us to perform various operations and variables and values. Okay, let's get started. So what are the operators in Java? Operators are just like a symbols. Okay, that perform operations on variables and values. So Java provides us different types of operators. We are going to learn one by one. Okay, first we'll understand what is the type types of operator. So let us understand what are the types of operators in Java. So the Java operators are classified into several categories. So first let us understand first one is a arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? So let us understand one by one. So this is the first symbol. This is the addition actually. This is addition. So how we have to do the addition? For example, I can say int sum equal to 10 plus, okay, 10 plus 5. So this is the way we are just, if you want to add some value, right? If you want to add some value, then you are using this addition operator. This is one of the operator. The same way in arithmetic operator, we have another one that is a minus. Okay, this is subtraction. Subtractions. Okay, for example, int difference equal to 10 minus 5. Okay, if you want to subtract some value, then you are going to use the minus symbol. That is a subtraction. If you are going to use a subtraction. This is one of the arithmetic operator. So addition and subtractions. The same way we have another operator is called multiplication. Okay, this is multiplication. So multiplication, I can say int product equal to 10 into 5. 10 into 5. So it is going to multiply the value. Then it is going to return you 10 into 5. What is the total value? 50 it will going to return. Same way 10 plus 5, 15 it is going to return. 10 minus 5, 5 will going to return you. Okay. So now this is the addition, subtraction and multiplication. The same way we have another operator called division. Okay. This is called division. This division operator. So if you want to say in division operation, if you want to say quotient, right? Quotient equal to 10 divided 5. So this will going to return you the quotient values. Okay. Then the same way, if you want to, in division, right, we have a quotient and the remainder, right? If you divide some values, right, then you will be getting a quotient and remainder. If you want the remainder, then you need to use the operator called modular operator. This is modules operator. Okay, this will going to return you remainder. Okay, now I can say int remainder equal to 10 mod 10 mod 3. Okay, this will going to return you the remainder of this value. 10 divided by 3, then it is going to return you 10 mod 3, it is going to return you remainder. Remainder here in this case, it is going to return you the 1. Right? So this is what your arithmetic operator. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and module operator. These all called arithmetic operators. Let us go and understand some programs. Okay. So let's see. So now for example, I can say int a equal to 10 and int a equal to 10, int b equal to, I can say 5. Okay. Now I want to print. So here I can say addition plus, here we need to add a value a plus b. right? You are adding a A plus B, then it is going to return you the addition. The same way, what I can do, I will go with subtraction. Okay, subtraction, add same A minus B, right? So the same way, I want to add another operator, that is multiplication. So multiplication plus A multiply B. Then we want to add. See, you can add a you can add a value in this way, or you can, if you want to store in some variable also, you can able to add. So now next one is the division. Division plus A plus, I can go with the A plus B. Same way. So next one is the modules. Modules operator plus A mod B. Okay, now let us run this and see how it is returning a value. So let's go and run this. Okay. So now addition is returning a 15, subtraction and multiplication, division and modules. Okay. So modules it is returning a 0 because 10 divided by 5, remainder is a 0. So it is returning a 0. So this is what your arithmetic operator. Okay. This is what your arithmetic operator. Now let us move on to the next one. So next one is we have a relational operator. Okay. First we have seen arithmetic operator. Next one is a relational operator. So we can say comparison operator. Okay. Comparison operators. Okay. Let us understand what is a relational or comparison operator. So one is a equal. So we can say equal to operator. So what it is going to do? For example, it is going to compare. If I have a and B. So A and have some values and B is having some value. I want to check whether both are equal or not. So I can say A equal to B. Okay. Now I'm checking A equal to B. So the relational operator is always going to return you true or false only. Okay. It is going to compare and it is returning you the true or false only. So here equal to operator will going to return you the true or false. Same way here another operator is not equal. Okay. Not equal means not equal to. Okay. This is a not equal to operator. So this not equal to operator, how we can say A not equal B. A not equal B. So it is going to, this is also going to return you the true or false. A not equal to B, then it is going to return true or false. Then suppose if I have another operator called greater than. Okay. Greater than operator. So the greater than operator can say A greater than B. Then we are checking A is greater than B or not. So if it is A is greater, then it is going to return true. Otherwise, it is going to return false. Okay. So another operator we have a less than. Okay. This is less than operator. So less than operator A less than B. So now this is also going to return you the true or false. Okay, it is going to check whether A is a less than B. The condition is true, then it is going to return you the true. Otherwise, it is going to return you the false. This is a less than operator. Okay. Another one is that we have a greater than or equal to operator. Greater than and equal to. Greater than or equal to. Okay. Greater than or equal to operator. So this one we can say A greater than or equal to B. greater than and equal to, greater than or equal to, we need to check. Okay, then this is also written either true or false only. We have another operator, same way, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Okay, so less than or equal to also the same way, less than equal to D. So this is going to return you true or false. So this is what operator, this is a relational operator, and also we can call it as a comparison operator. Okay, we are relating and we are checking that whether it is a true or false, whether it is a greater than, whether it is a less than. Okay, so now let's go and add some values over here. Now I can say we'll say x, we can say x equal to 10 and into y equal to, I can say 5. Okay, now I want to print, I want to check whether it is a x is, first one is a equal to operators, right? So I can say x equal to y. So plus, here I am saying x equal to y. Okay, now the same way I'll print x not equal to, right? Another operator is not equal to y. So let's say here plus x not equal to y. So this will, let's see, while running, you come to know that whether it is returning a true or false. Okay, the same way, I have another thing, x greater than y. Okay, so x greater than y plus, same we can add x greater than y. Same way we can say yes less than y. We just copy that and paste it over here. And say less than. Okay. So same way we have another operator that is a greater than or equal to, right? So I say greater than or equal to. Same way we have a less than or equal to. We have seen less than or equal to. Less than equal to. So now let us run this and see how this is working. And I'll make it as a one line. Okay, now let's run this. Okay. First one is x equal to y. 10 equal to 5. The false. Okay. X is not equal to y. I mean, it's not a equal to y. So it is written in a true. The next one is x is greater than y. So yes, it is a y. X is a greater than. So it is written in a true. X is less than y. No, it is a false. Okay. X is greater than equal to y. Yes, it is a true. X less than equal to y. No, it is a false. Okay, this is what your relational operator. Okay, relational and okay, we are comparing the two values, x and y value we are comparing. So we can call it as a relational and comparison operator. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So in operators, we have seen arithmetic operator and relational operator. Now let us understand the logical operator. Logical operator. The logical operator is, so we can say AND operator. Okay, this is a logical AND operator. We can say logical AND operator. Okay, so how we have to do that? For example, I can say A. I have two conditions. Maybe A greater than 5. Okay, this is one condition. The same way I have another condition. So I can say another AND condition. This is a logical AND operator. Here we can say B. B is less than, maybe I can add a 10. So this is two conditions I'm adding over here. Okay, here one condition, here one condition. So two condition I'm adding. In between what I need to do, I need to check that AND operator. So whether this one and I need to check this also. Both true means it's going to return true. Okay, both conditions are true, then it is going to return you the true. That is what it's going to, we are checking both the conditions. A greater than 5 and B less than 10. Okay, this is a one and logical AND operator. We have another one is a logical OR operator. Logical OR operator. So how we have to check that? The same way here we are adding a AND operator, right? So instead of that, we can add a OR operator. So in this case, what happens? It is going to return whether any one condition is true, it is going to return true. Okay. That is what OR after whether it is a true or whether it is this condition is true, it is going to return true. Okay, both the conditions false only, it is going to return false. Okay, that is what OR operator. AND operator, both the conditions should pass. Then only it is going to return you the true. This is the logical AND operator and logical OR operator. So we have another one is a NOT operator. So we have seen before not equal to, right? The same way, this is a NOT operator. This is also we have a logical NOT operator. Okay. So how we have to check that? So for example, I am saying A greater than 5. Okay. Now I am checking NOT. So NOT means A greater than 5. I mean not A greater than 5. So if this condition is true, it is going to return true. See, in the logical operator also, it is going to return either true or false only. Okay, it is going to return true or false only. Okay, now let's go and add some values here. For example, I can say operators. Now, only 3 values. And operator plus here. I can add values. Okay, here I can add Boolean condition 1 equal to 10 greater than 5. Okay, 10 greater than 5. I'm just adding directly here I'm adding the condition. So, and Boolean. Why I'm adding a Boolean? Because this will going to return you the true or false only. This condition, right? It is going to return you true or false. So, I'm just store it in a Boolean type. Condition 2 equal to 5 greater than 10. Okay, I have added 2 conditions. Now I am checking here. Condition, first one is a AND operator. So condition 1 and condition 2. So both the condition 1 and condition 2, both the conditions are it's checking true or false. Both the conditions are matching, then it is going to return you true. Okay, now see, you can directly add this value here also. I'm just adding here. Okay, now I can say another one. This is a OR operator. You can say OR operator. OR operator plus condition 1 or condition 2. Okay, condition 2. It is going to check whether both any one is true or false. Okay, any one is true means it is going to return true. The next one is a NOT operator. We have seen NOT operator. plus plus. So here we can say not, okay, condition 1. I'm checking condition 1. Okay, not condition 1. I mean not true, then it is going to, as per the condition, it is going to return. Okay, this is a not operator. Let us run this and see. Okay, the first one, so any one condition false also, it's going to return you false because it is checking like an AND operation. Any one is true only, it is going to return true. Otherwise, it is going to return false. The second one, any one is true, it is going to return true. So that is what it is returning a true. Now that conditional operator, we are making as a not. So it is going to return you the false. Okay. So this is what your conditional, logical operator. So logical operator only we have three things. So then now the next thing is we have another operator, that is assignment operator. Okay. Assignment operator also very important things. I'll show you that what is assignment operator. So let's go and understand. See, these are very, very important operators because when you are working in any programs, right, any problem solving, then you should know that what is the use of these operators. Then only you can able to implement all those things. Okay, now let us understand what is the assignment operator. So assignment operator, the first one is the equal to. So equal to means we are assigning some values, right? For example, a equal to 5. Just we are assigning a value. So that is where it is we are using a, this is called your assignment operator. This is we are assigning a value to the a. This a variable. We are assigning some value to the a variable. So that is what equal to operator. Okay, this is the equal to. Then we have another operator called plus equal to. So what is the meaning of plus equal to? For example, a plus, okay, a plus equal to 5. Okay, so meaning of this one is, what is the meaning of this? We can say a equal to a plus 5. This is the meaning of, see, instead of writing a equal to a plus 5, just we are giving a plus equal to 5. Okay, just we are shortening that a plus equal to 5, meaning that a equal to a plus 5. Okay, same way we have another assignment operator, that is minus equal to. Okay, minus equal to means, for example, here I can say a, okay, minus equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this? For example, here a equal to a minus 5. Okay, this is what minus equal to operator. So this is simple way we used to see, like a plus equal to 5, a minus equal to 5. So meaning that a equal to a plus 5, a equal to a minus 5. Okay, the same way we have another one is multiplication equal to. Right, multiply equal to. This is also we can say a multiply equal to 5. So this is also we can say a equal to a multiply 5. Okay, this is the way we have to understand. A multiply equal to 5 means this is what a equal to a multiply by 5. Okay, we have another thing is same way division equal to, right? So this is the same thing, a division equal to 5. So how it will be? So it can say a equal to a divided 5. Okay. Same way we have another one module we have seen, right? So this one mod operator equal to. So this one a mod equal to 5. So here we can say a equal to a mod 5. So just this is the assignment operators. So a equal to 5 means, for example, I'll show you here. For example, I have a int number equal to 5. Int, otherwise we can say int a equal to 5. Okay. Now, if suppose I'm saying like a plus equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this one? Now, if I'm trying to print these values, right? So I can say B, because already finding the value, I think D. Okay. Now int c equal to, we are assigning the same variable, so it is no duplicate, it will not going to allow you. Okay, so that is the reason it is showing you the error. So now I am just making a unique variable c equal to. So c plus equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this one? Now if I am returning new value of c plus p value I want to print. So what we are assigning already, we are assigning a value of 5. Now we are saying c plus equal to 5. So now it is going to return, let's run this. So new value of c is a 5. So why new value of c is a 5? Because 5 equal to 5 plus 5. Now that is where it is returning here. See now, this how it is returning. A c equal to c plus 5. So already C is a 5, right? So C 5 plus 5, 10. So this value will going to show it over here in a, 10. Okay, C is a 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So that is where we are getting a new value is 10. So now let us understand another one, that is an increment operator. So now here we need to say increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator. So what is increment and decrement operator? So let's see. For example, I have a plus plus. This is a plus plus operator, meaning that a plus plus. If suppose if I am adding a plus plus, it is going to increment a by 1. It is going to increment only 1. So initially what we are seeing a plus equal to 5 means it is going to add a 5 values, right? Now a plus plus means it is going to increment by a by 1. Okay. The same way I have another thing is minus minus. So this is called a minus minus. So this will going to decrement. This is going to decrement a by 1. Okay, plus plus is a increment by 1. Minus minus means decrement by 1. So this is also one of the important things. Let's see how it's working. I can say int number equal to 10. Okay, int number equal to 10. So now I am printing. First I am saying post increment. Post increment, I'm saying a or number plus plus. Okay, this is a post increment. Now I'm saying print. I want to print after increment. I'm adding a value. I just wanted to print the number. Okay, just we are adding and we are printing the value. Now after that, I can say here we have a plus plus operator, right? So now this is the post increment. We have another one is that is called pre-increment. Pre-increment. So how we have to add up in pre-increment? You can say plus plus number. Okay. Now this is the post increment. This is the pre-increment. Okay, now let us see how this is working. So you come to know, I'll run this. Okay, so now let's see here. So this is the post increment. Post increment means it is not adding any value. Okay, so simply whatever the number is there, it is returning a value. After the increment, okay, after the increment, you can see the number value is incremented now. Incremented to 1. So it is returning a 11. Okay, after the increment, first it is printing, then it is incrementing. Okay, here, first it is going to print, then increment. Okay, that is where we are not getting, while printing, we are printing the exact value what we are assigning. That value it is getting printed. After that is it incremented to 1. So now the number variable, right? The value is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So we are printing that after increment, just we are trying to print the value. Then it is printing 11. Okay. Then what is the pre-increment? Now what is the value? Number value is 11. Okay. Now pre-increment means we are incrementing first, then we are printing. So in this case, here it is incrementing, then printing. So now the value is 12. Okay. So the post increment here, right? This will going to first print the value. Whatever the value is there, it is going to print as it is. It's not going to increment. Once it is printed, then it is going to increment and keep that. Okay. Now the next line, we are trying to print the value of what we are, incremented, then it is printed. Now we are giving the plus is a prefix. Okay. Now we are adding a prefix. Then what happened? First it is going to add the value. Then only it is going to print. So number before it is 11. First it is incrementing. So now the number value is 12. So it is printing 12. Okay. This is what your post and pre-increment. So I hope you are clear. So today we learned about different operators in Java, right? Including arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operator, assignment operators, and increment and decrement operators as well. So in the next video, we are going to say conditional statements in Java. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment and I'll be happy to answer. Sign off. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.